Google just dropped AntiGravity 2.0, and trust me, this is not just an update. If you're thinking it's the next version of AntiGravity IDE, you are completely wrong. So in the recent Google I/O event, Google has unrevealed two major AI announcements: a new Flash Gemini 3.5 model and AntiGravity 2.0. And here is the interesting part. AntiGravity 2.0 is just not another IDE anymore. It's a completely new platform that can change how developer makes applications. So in this video, let's deep dive into the AntiGravity 2.0. We will explore its new feature with Gemini 3.5 Flash model, and let's see whether it's up to the hype or not. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Hi there, Sunit here, and welcome back to SpineOWL. So here's what we are going to cover in this video. First, I will show you how to download and install AntiGravity 2.0 step by step. Then we will dive into its powerful feature and compare it with other AI coding tools like Codex and Claude. We will also see what features AntiGravity 2.0 offers for free that other tools either don't have or charge money for it. We will also compare Gemini 3.5 Flash model against other leading AI models and check out its benchmark results. And finally, we will do real-world test by creating a small game prototype using Unity and AntiGravity to see whether it's actually can help game developers to project faster. To download AntiGravity, open Chrome and type download AntiGravity. In the first link you will click, if you click here, you will see this website. Basically, there are three options: AntiGravity 2.0, CLI and AntiGravity ID, which is old one. Because we want to download AntiGravity 2.0, just simply click here to download it. And as you can see, our AntiGravity is started to download. Download is completed. I'll just simply double click on DNG and drag and drop to the application folder. Now I'll just close this window and I'll just simply open this search bar and I will just simply type AntiGravity. As you can see that it's asking for permission, I'll just simply allow it, and now AntiGravity is opening. The best part of new AntiGravity 2.0 is that the UI, as you can see here, that UI is kinda similar like Codex, and it is more user friendly than the previous one actually. And I just simply click here and close it, and this one also close it. And if you go in the top right bar, and you can see open AntiGravity IDE, so you can just click here and again it will ask for permission. I'll just simply yes, and here I opened my old AntiGravity IDE as well. So here I can basically toggle up the old one with the new one actually. So if I want to work with old AntiGravity or some may work in the this one, I can do it. These are the models which are AntiGravity 2.2 is providing. And if I go in the right top left bar, these are the conversation history which I can see here. If you click here in the schedule task, this is a quite interesting task. So if I just simply type here something like daily task, and I'll just put a schedulation. So I'll put some like 9 AM, and I'll just simply give a small description. So what it will do basically, it will check, it will perform a particular task which you have provided in that particular time frame actually, daily basis. That is quite interesting. And also this process will happen in the background actually, which is quite insane. So as you can see here that I already set up a scene. It's completely 3D scene and it's static as well. So this is my 3D model. I already placed some 3D models over here. If I click here and if I click in my player object, so this player object I downloaded from Examo, and which is completely rigged one and with the animation as well. So if I play here, that you can see the idle animation is playing. If I click running, so running animation is playing. If I click on jump, so jump animation is playing, as well as the same as that animation is playing. So all the P assets I already prepared by myself. Now I want it to be functional, so which we will do AntiGravity 2.0 actually. So what I'll do, just I'll select the folder, I'll select the project here, and I'll go with the Gemini 3.5 Flash medium one. I already created a prompt for this, so I'll just paste it over here and click enter. And now it's doing it started making a plan actually. Plan has created. Now I'll just simply go to the proceed, and one thing which I personally liked it, like I used Flash previous model, Gemini Flash previous model as well, and if I compare with this one, actually it is far fast actually. At the same time, as per the Google is saying that it is more accurate. Let's see the result, how actually it is going to perform. We'll see that. So this is done completely. Now if I go to my Unity scene, and if I click in camera, and you can see that I have already attached this 3D this script actually, which is made by our Flash, Gemini 3 Flash. Now if I play here, and now if I'm dragging it, so this is quite looking good actually. This is completely 3D camera, which I was expecting, and quite happy with the result actually. Now what we will do, we'll create an player moment controller. So I'll drag my player object, and I'll remove this camera because we don't need it, so we'll delete it. And what I'll do here is that I just reposition it a little bit because it's looking very small. So if I scale it 5 by 5, I think this is looking good to go. So let's remain it for now the same. For creating player controller, I already created a prompt, so I'll just simply paste it over here, and I'll just simply click on enter button actually. So just click the enter button, and let's see what's plan it's making for player movement actually. So I want 3D third person kind of player movement actually. So also it should work for our existing camera feature. So plan has been created. I just simply click on proceed, and let's see what will be the outcome which we are getting actually. So as you can see that my player is all set. I have attached some collider by myself, and the script which AntiGravity 2.0 created, just drag and drop over here. And if I test it, so our previous functionality, camera movement is working fine. And also if I press WSD key, player controller is also working properly with the animation as well. So I am personally liking this behavior actually, because I want this kind of behavior only. So yeah, I genuinely like it. Now let me know in the comments whether you are liking or not. So now let's test it with particle as well. So I created a prompt and I already pasted over here, and just let's try it whether this works well for creating particle as well, because particle is something which I'm expecting it might not create as per my expectation. So let's see whether it creates or not. So what actually I want, let you know that I want some kind of snow particle around the scene actually. So the scene will look a little bit beautiful. So as you can see, this particle object is created, and now I press play button, and if I maximize the screen, so around the scene view you can see that particles are spreaded over entire scene. And if I maximize a game scene, so let's view it in game scene. This is also looking quite it's not as per my expectation honestly, if I say, but again after a little bit more tweak we can achieve the outcome which I basically want. But yeah, it's quite looking well. And just let me know in the comments down below if you are liking or not. I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. If you have any question or any suggestion, do let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, signing off.